In this video, I'll be sharing across how to set the sales target, whether it is secondary sales or the primary sales, how to upload those targets, and how to upload the primary sales using a CSV predefined CSV file upload. Also, I'll be sharing across how to upload the secondary sales across areas and compare with the sales analysis architecture. So in this, in the sales and the statement section, there are multiple options confined to the sales, where you can set the target, primary sales upload, primary analysis, secondary sales. Everything is in the single menu bar. I'll be using sales target in the first phase, where you can set the targets across each financial year according to your companies, whether it is from April to March or January to February. It is according to the company regulations. So I'll be selecting the financial year. I'll be selecting a business executive with a certain divisions, and I will select a particular employee. Click on submit. So these targets are not based on this particular employee, rather it is based out of city. Each city has got its own target across all the months. So here in this, we have taken from April to March as a standard financial year in India. So I'll be having like 15,000 rupees as a primary sales and 20,000 as a secondary sales for the month of April. Also similarly, like 15,000 and 20,000 for secondary for Jayanagar area in Bangalore. So 30,000 in primary and 45,000 secondary in JP Nagar. Similarly 30 and 45,000. So for the example options, I'll be saving these things. You can click on save report. So these data are saved for that particular employee, for that particular area. So how to upload the primary sales? I will come to this, how we'll be using this targets to compare with the sales fixtures. Here in this primary sales upload, so you'll be having an option to select the CNF. If you don't have any CNF or super stockist, you can select your mother depots. So here in this case, I'll be selecting one of the CNF, and I'll be selecting the predefined CSV file. You can also download the template from the download template link, which is provided in the same page. So we'll select the CSV file and click on the primary sales and OK, and I'll click on preview files. Here you can notice, so there were some red fonts also with the danger symbol in the initial stage, and it immediately changed back to the normal text. So that means the system is analyzing and comparing those particular entities with the ERP code that you have saved in our software. Here in this, you can also see SLN Medicals is highlighted in red. That means that particular entity is not registered or mapped with our software. So to say this, I will be going to in a distributor registration. Also, you have the similar item name, the product name comparison with the item code that is mentioned here. So here I'll be using distributor registration. So distributor registration, you can click on view distributors. You can see multiple distributors across the area. In this case, we have primary sales SLN Medicals. Click on SLN Medicals, click on the 3 cross button and edit. So here you can notice the ERP company code is code 2. And select the company code 2 and open the CSV file. So here in the CSV file, the SLN Medical, if you scroll horizontally, you can see code was updated as code 2542. We'll update code 2, save the CSV file. So again, we'll go back to the primary sales upload section. Click on the choose file, select the primary sales, click on open, click on preview file. Here all the red icons are vanished. You can see, you can verify before you upload the software. Please note this action is irreversible, so you cannot change or modify in the front end. So when once you upload the file, click on upload file. Already details are uploaded for the same invoice and revision. This is the warning that you'll be having if you try to upload the same invoice again. So click on OK and choose a new file. I will refresh the page, select the CNF, select the CSV file. I have downloaded the new files, updated primary sales. Click on OK and click on preview. So details will be uploaded. Once you verify those data, you can have the option upload file. So saved successfully. That means all the data have been saved successfully and uploaded. In the sales and statements, there is an option add manual report secondary. This is the secondary statement uploading section where you can select the financial year. For a example purpose, I will be selecting March. I will be selecting the distributors. Select the same SLN Medical Janagra. Division, I will be going with one of the division. Click on submit. You can change the rate according to your requirement, where you can calculate on PTS, PTR or the MRP. So this is the saving mode actually. So I will be selecting like this particular opening will be like 90. So this is like automatically carried out the next month also. So the closing will be the opening of the next month. I'll be like 100 units. Current month sale is like 220 and then I'll be having like one is the replacement, two is the credit note. Closing balance will be automatically updated and the closing value is 2098. So opening will be 100 and purchase quantity is like 500 units. Current month quantity is like 10. Scheme is 1, replacement is 0 and credit note is 10. So the remaining closing balance. So just with the use of a tab button, you can be able to next items. You can click on save report once the report is done. For the example purpose, if I select April and go to the distributors seller and select the, automatically the opening quantity will be updated from the previous month of closing quantity. See? So here you can update quantities and click on save.